Alexandria, Kentucky. Let's look at this new little Kong Armor lifetime deck armor system here. Let's check this out. So this is an existing customer of mine, great customers of mine. Their front deck's done in Kong Armor. This little back deck, they've been wanting to get done for a long time. Peeling deck paint, severely weathered wood, rotten boards, loose boards, everything backyard deck that's hasn't been cared for in a few years and the sun's beat up has this had. And we came in, look, we came in here, we introduced simple deck cleaning, a 5-plank restoration package, and then we came in and did general deck maintenance, where we went around and tightened everything up, made everything strong and viable again. And then we came in and we did the peeling deck paint lockdown encapsulation with the thick build, the ultra tough Kong Armor lifetime deck armor system. I can't go up there right now, but you can see, look at the finish on the floor. No nail and screw entry holes are open. There's no cracks. There were thousands of cracks here. There's no cracks, no hairlines, nothing left open for water to enter. That's one of the big benefits of Kong Armor. Splinter lock technology. You're talking about a severely weathered deck that was frayed, thousands of splinters. Splinter lock technology in Kong Armor. It's got all the splinters, all the frayed wood, all the loose stuff is all locked down with that peeling deck paint. UV block. So Kong's first in class UV block. The rays will come down and hit, and they'll deflect back up into the atmosphere where they belong, right? So we went from a beat down, dilapidated backyard deck system, right, to this gorgeous armor encapsulated deck that's protected in the world's toughest deck armor. Guess what else it has? It's backed locally here in Cincinnati, Northern Kentucky, for life. Locally for life. Lifetime service promise, lifetime limited warranty. Kong Armor, the lifetime deck armor system. We call it that because we stay with the customer for life. Locally here, and we keep it to where they don't ever have to completely paint, stain, refinish their decks again. If you want to learn more, tell you what, visit kongarmor.com. There you can learn about our system, our coating system. You can schedule a free quote, read our blog post, anything you want to do. Check out pictures. So go there and check us out. All right, I'm Anthony Ford from Alexandria, Kentucky. We'll see you later.